In this video, we will explain how some features on your LG over-the-range microwave oven can help with your cooking needs. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen or need an alarm to set a reminder, your over-the-range microwave oven is equipped with a timer feature. You can utilize this function by simply pressing the timer button located on the keypad. Enter your desired countdown time. Let's say 5 minutes, for example. Enter numbers 5, 0, 0, then press start. Your microwave oven will beep after the 5-minute countdown to notify you that time is up. If you want to utilize the timer function while cooking with your microwave oven, select the timer button, set the countdown time, press start. You can toggle back and forth between the cooking and timer display by pressing or holding the timer button. When you want to start heating your food quickly at maximum power setting, you can use the Add 30 Seconds feature of your over-the-range microwave oven. This feature will automatically start the microwave oven at full power for 30 seconds. You can toggle the Add 30 Seconds button to extend the remaining cooking time by 30 seconds. When you're heating something in the microwave oven and feel that it may need some additional cook time, or if the cook time you set was too long, you can use the plus, minus buttons to adjust the cooking time. Once the microwave oven has started to cook, you can press the plus button to add another 10 seconds to the cook time, or press the minus button to subtract 10 seconds from the remaining cook time. LG's energy-saving feature saves energy by turning off the display when not in use. You can activate this feature by pressing the energy-saving button located on your over-the-range microwave oven. You can turn on the display by selecting any button on the control panel, or simply by opening the door. By utilizing these equipped features properly, you will come to learn how easy cooking with your LG over-the-range microwave oven can be. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.
Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing review on LG over-the-range microwave. It's a very beautiful microwave, so let's look inside. I will cover as many things as possible. Inside we have non-stick coating, very easy to clean. Just need a cloth, just wipe it, it comes right off. We have a very powerful transformer here, and the model number here is LMHM2237ST for stainless steel. It comes with 4 different speed of exhaust fan, 1, 2, and the third one is high. The fourth is turbo. It does have very good night light with the option of changing the dimming it, for instance, like by clicking twice. Let's try some of the cooking with the touch sensor. Popcorn maybe. There you go. I can definitely say this is one of the reasons we bought this microwave is because of this extender vent. The previous microwave we had, they used to get greasy, dirty. With this, we just pop it open, the vent falls down, as you can see in this video. And when we're done using, we just push it right back, and as you can see, the vent goes right back with it. It's awesome, no one can notice. It's there, it looks amazing. Everyone comes to our house, they love it. As you can see, the smoke, this is the exhaust fan on the second level speed. We don't need to use turbo, only when we're using all the burners. Other than that, as you can see, it's sucking everything in, no food smell. I would highly suggest to go online and check the reviews. Satisfy yourself, then purchase it. But I pretty much cover everything, so please subscribe to this channel so I can post more videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Thank you.